Today is a weird day because we are gonna take a look. Snap camera.
Nice.
Alright, sorry for being so creepy here. I want to show you how you can work with Snap Camera, which is an application by Snapchat, which allows you to basically use all kinds of face filters. One of them that you saw right now is this one. It's the face tracker, which works really well. And there's also some very disturbing ones in there as well. Like this one, for example. Hi. So the way you set this up is that you download Snap Camera first. So if you haven't done that already, you can download it through the link in the description below. And when you've installed it, you get a screen like this. So first things first, make sure you're not using your webcam in a different application, because otherwise this will not work. If you have OBS open and your webcam is in it, it won't work here. So make sure to disable your webcam in OBS. It's really easy to do. I'll show it later in the video. For now, make sure to just have your webcam free, basically. What you can do then is you click here in the top right, and then you make sure your camera is selected. Edit your camera resolution to whatever you want, and you can even flip the video preview. I also clicked optimize for green screen, so color effects don't have an impact on my screen, basically. So that's everything you have to do in Snap Camera. Let's go over to OBS to set it up over there. Alright, so now that you've set up Snap Camera, let's go over to how you can put it into OBS. It's actually really easy, but I just want to show you guys here how to do that. So first things first, I usually have my webcam in this. It's just a full webcam source, basically, which I use for recording, which you saw before. I want to put in the Snap Camera as well. So I just go over to video capture device here, and then I create a new one, which is now called SnapCam. I press OK. Then you get this window. Make sure you select Snap Camera here, and there you go. It's the Snap Camera. It's that easy. So if I go to my Snap Camera right now, I can just use the effect basically, and there you go. Then it works in OBS, as you can see. It's really easy, and there's a lot of effects you can use in Snap Camera, which will give you this effect or a similar effect. This specific one is called Face Tracker. So if you aren't able to get it to work, it's probably because you still have your webcam source on in OBS. So in that case, just make sure that this one here, the original webcam or whatever name you gave it, is deactivated. So it should have an activate button. If I press this now, it won't work. So because it's in exclusive mode to Snap Camera. That's basically how that works. So I hope that clears that up. Make sure that's deactivated. All right, and that's all you gotta do, and then you can use all the effects from Snap Camera. It's that easy. There's a lot of cool effects in there. Go take a look around if you haven't already, because there's a really cool effects which you can use to pimp up your stream. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. It's a really short video, but I think it's going to be helpful for a lot of people. Let me know what you did with it in the comments below, because I'm really interested to see the creative applications that people use with this. And I will also be making more videos in the future. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe the video, and have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye. Alright, and this is also Epi from the future. I just want to tell you, I also have a great Discord server. If you want to join over there, I will be giving daily streaming tips. I will be able to even give you a stream review. So make sure to hop into the Discord. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!